Good day, amazing people. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. So it is very happy to see you in the another tutorial video. Here in this time I would like to show you how to separate this name. As you can see here, actually you can separate it manually such as Rosalind, Dibala, and Joan. Well, actually you can separate every single name for the first name, middle name, last name, of course in the Microsoft Excel manually. But here in this video, I'll show you the trick. So make sure that you have already on your data here. And you can also, let's say, adjust anything, let's say the column size or the row size. And after that, and after you make sure that the data is already complete, then you can click the cell of B3 until the B12 that contains the every single name here. And I will give it a copy or Control C, and I will put it in the cell of C3 that contains the first name section. And after that, as you can see here, kindly click the data. And after that, I will go to the text to column, click delimited and next, and click space. What is space? Space that this Microsoft Excel will separate the data that being separated with the space. Or in case you have the, let's say you type this every single name and separate the first name, middle name, and the last name with a comma, then you can click the comma. It is about your format in the previous style. And since this every single name, the first name, middle name, and last name separated by the space, then I will choose this. And this is the preface or the preview once you click this delimiters, the space. And if you find it already true or correct, then you can click next and finish. And 1, 2, 3. There you go. Of every single first name, middle name, and last name of these people already separated. And after that, you can adjust also the size of each column and also the row. You can go to Home, Format, and let's say you can click Auto Fit Column Width. Since it is already fit with the every single name is then it doesn't need any of work to do the auto fit. Or let's say the column is not that tidy, you can go to the format and auto fit column width, and there you go. This is the look if you have already separated the first name, middle name, and last name. If you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below, and I would love to see your comments there. And don't forget to practice it, guys, because I believe this is very beneficial for you. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.